on the landmark occasion of the Silver Jubilee 25th anniversary of the Pakistan Society for Rheumatology. On this occasion, I must congratulate the patrons, the conveners, the co-convener, the entire dedicated organizing committee for their extraordinary motivation and their extraordinary dedication to make this conference a success. Ladies and gentlemen, PSR has come a long way. As we go down the memory lane, we see that more than 2 decades ago, a few visionary pioneers got together and they planted the seed of the Pakistan Society for Rheumatology, which became a tiny sapling. And this tiny sapling today has blossomed into a huge beneficial tree, benefiting a lot of patients and spreading its shades far and wide. Mr. Chairman, sir, from a handful of members, today we are close to 100 executive members. And there are established rheumatology centers in almost all the major cities of Pakistan, and well-trained rheumatologists are working there. They are not only imparting state-of-the-art treatment to the patients in spite of our limited resources. They are not only treating patients, they are also carrying on research and training the future rheumatologists to face the challenges of the extremely increasing patient load and disease burden. Yet, we are very few in numbers. We are very deficient in numbers, and the patient load is far too much. The disease burden is far too much. Every patient who is suffering from a rheumatological disorder does not get the chance to go and see a rheumatologist, with the result that they land in wrong domains, they are not treated properly, and they further worsen. Hence, the need to increase the numbers of trained rheumatologists in our country. And in the end, I would like to conclude on a different note. And I would like to say that as all of us are sitting here today in this comfortable hall, let us not forget our fellow countrymen who are out there in the open. They do not even have a roof on their heads. They do not even know from where their next meal is going to come. So let us all get together and work towards helping them. And at this point, I would like to narrate a hadith sharif of the Holy Prophet ﷺ. I feel very inspired. I feel extremely inspired when I narrate it or I hear it. And the English translation is that as long as you are in the process of serving Allah's creation, Allah is in the process of serving you. It is so heartening when I listen to this hadith. So may we always serve humanity. May we always gain the capacity to serve humanity. And may we always be thankful to Allah Ta'ala for guiding us towards this profession which deals with serving the ailing humanity. May our hands always be the helping hands. With that, I thank you.